request our dynamic principal ma'am to kindly introduce the chief guest to us and present the annual report for the year gone by.
It's so wonderful to have you all around. Let me start. Before I start, I would just like to share, when we started the school, it was just 25 children, and it's so nice in the heart, mind and soul to see such a wonderful gathering here today. Thank you so much, parents and dignitaries, for making this audience a wonderful one. The Dalai Lama, when asked what surprised him most about humanity, answered man. Because he sacrifices his health in order to make money. Then he sacrifices money to recuperate his health. And then he is so anxious about the future that he does not enjoy the present. The result being that he does not live in the present or the future. He lives as he is never going to die, and then dies having never really lived. Let's live our life to the fullest. This is the theme of our Anand Utsav this year. A very good evening to our worthy chief guest, Shri Himanshu Jain ji, our guest of honor, Mrs. Neeti Shri Kumar ji, our Neha Asthana, the HR of Educare, promoter, Shri Prem Kapoor ji, chairperson, Mrs. Champa Kapoor ji, managing director, Mr. Neeraj Kapoor, dear parents, teachers, my support staff, students and invitees. Another year has passed. As we gather here today to celebrate our achievements this year, we give thanks to God for the many gifts He has bestowed on us, especially the gift of life. That every time you celebrate with your children, you are reminded of a responsibility, yours and ours, that your children find the right way and right place and right heights in the world. Let me take this opportunity to introduce you to our worthy chief guest and guest of honor. Our chief guest, Shri Himanshu Jain ji, Chief Executive Officer of Shri Educare Limited, is a management graduate from FMS Delhi University. His interest in the field of education has pulled him out of his 15 years diversified career in SRF, where he assumed responsibilities across different functions, ranging from marketing, finance, HR, TQM and IT. His last assignment in SRF was as unit head for his Thailand unit, where he successfully integrated the Thailand operations with Indian operations. He moved to Shri Educare Limited in 2011 and is working towards making Shri Educare Limited a known brand in education sector. Our guest of honor, Mrs. Neeti Shri Kumar ji, is the Associate Vice President, Operations of Shri Educare. She is a postgraduate in English Literature from the School of Languages, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. She has also done her MS in Education, Maharaja Saiji Roy University, Baroda. She has worked in the Shri Ram School, Aravali, for 5 years. And while in TSRS, she won the Intel Teach to the Future Award for the best integration of technology in teaching for a project on throwing light on Africa, the dark continent. Post TSRS, she has worked as principal of an IGCSE school in Ahmedabad and as founding principal of a CBSE school in Hyderabad. Overall, she has an experience of almost 20 years in various aspects of school operations, setting up and establishing schools, teacher training programs, and curriculum development projects. We have amongst us Mrs. Neha Asthana, HR Shri Educare. We feel obliged to have you all here with us. Thank you so much for taking out time amidst your very busy schedule to grace our Anand Utsav. As we embark upon efforts and find the hidden capabilities of our children, I take this honor and privilege in presenting before you the annual report of the year gone by. To believe you can is everything. With this belief and grace of God, the Gurukul Foundation School continues to march ahead in the year 2012-2013 with its head held high. In many respects, 2012 has been passed a very successful year for us. We faced many new challenges this year which generated laughter, warmth and joy in us. On the academic front, tremendous effort has been put into sowing for excellence this year. The continuing success of GFS did not happen overnight, but the result of the collective hard work put in by our teachers who have been outstanding in their dedication and commitment of a team. Thank you. I can say with no shadow of doubt the academic task has been done very effectively and we certainly have every reason to celebrate. We have sowed many seeds of progress this year which will add value to GFS. Gurukul has always been pioneers and leaders in opening new avenues and vistas for overall development of children by calling people from all over the country who are professional in their fields. Otherwise, it is very difficult to provide in a small town like Kashipur. Here I would just like to add, there is nothing as small or big. It is we the people who are going to make the town a big one or a small one. Because we've always believed the town is not big or small, it's the people who have to make it big, whether it was Shyam Davar or Helen O'Grady or EduSports, India's largest sports company from Bangalore. Gurukul has always tried that in this era of modernization, things should be more scientifically and should be more professionally organized. Gurukul has a vision and always tries to give children the best in pursuit of excellence and to give the best. It has now collaborated with one of the best in the country, with Shri Educare Limited, to follow the teaching practices, values, experience of the Shri Ram Schools Delhi and thus take the school ahead. We had organized a walk for nature and we love to save the environment. Inculcating of values of social work has been done from the very beginning, for we believe that all individuals are alike. All festivals are given equal importance and that is how we want to inculcate culture into the children. Learning through field trips and excursions is very important. Children went to field trips and to PepsiCo to visit and see how things are done first hand. Imagination has no boundaries. All competitions are held in the school. Shyam Davar we all know, and we've always tied up with them to take their performing arts ahead. Utsaha the sports day was again a very big success, and to continue to give our children the best, a step into future of education. Then why to send your children from your loving arms when you can give your child the best? The best of India now in Kashipur, and you couldn't think of more. Gurukul in collaboration with Shri Educare Limited, which is ranked as India's top 3-day schools for the past 12 years. We follow the teaching practices, values and experience of the Shri Ram School Delhi, and there are some snapshots of Shri Educare which we'll go through right now. I'll take you quickly through this. We all know the Shri Ram legacy, the Shri Ram College of Commerce, Lady Shri Ram and Shri Ram schools. That is in Vasant Vihar campus. They have a Malsari and Aravali campus. It's respected among India's most respected top 10 schools and India's top 3-day schools. Now Gurukul will also be one of them. And let's give a very big round of applause to it. There is Ghyasuddin International School, Maldives, the Shri Ram Millennium School, the Shri Ram Early Years, the Confluence World School, Rudrapur, and soon you will be having your own name school on the website along with them. And how is your child going to benefit from this? There will be language development with rich curriculum and mathematics through playway methods. Exchange programs will be there and inter-school events, outstation trips, life skills workshop, DEED and DOL. There will be teacher training workshops. It's very important to partner with the parent community. I would tell, we cannot clap with one hand. We need the support of the parents for that, and that is how we can have a complete fist and the power to take our children ahead. It has a very child-centric approach, and then what are we waiting for? Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. We all have to believe that together we can and together we will. I would just like to put up here, though we have all gathered here for a very happy occasion, but amongst all this, I, on behalf of entire Gurukul family, express our heartfelt condolences for Shrimati Manju Bharat Ramji, founder of Shri Ram School, who left for a heavenly abode last week. We all feel terribly sorry and will miss her, but will try to take her vision ahead. That is our promise. Vision 2013. Next one. Looking at next session, 2013-14, I believe GFS will prosper as it continues to fulfill its mission statement and divine purpose. We are determined more than before to take and keep our rightful place among the successful schools in Kashipur. We will equip our pupils to function and fly like eagles anywhere in the country. In fact, allow me to announce that 2013 will be the year of excellence. Your cooperation, dear parents, will help realize our school vision, a quality school towards distinction, and help make our dream a reality. Let me take you through to Vision 2013. Next. Gurukul is now in collaboration with Shri Educare Limited. The new site will soon be coming up on the Kundeswari Road. The site plan has everything that parents can ever imagine for. Your cooperation is always welcome and suggestions are always welcome. We have a big sports ground, library, performing arts theatre, the clay room, the DOL, the DEED room, all the labs that you could ever imagine. All this will be in consultancy and in collaboration with Shri Educare. There will be a ground plus 2 floors, and I believe that coming up of this will help raise the education standards in Kashipur. The structure of the new building, many more things have to be added. We are working on it. In conclusion, may I say a big thank you to you, to my deputies, teachers, all support staff and students. Everything accomplished this year is with my team's undaunted efforts. Together we stood, together we toiled, together we laughed, together we celebrated, together we conquered, and together we will excel in 2013.